All right, so this is our serratus reach with the band. Too often we're doing these serratus activation exercises by like reaching up or using a foam roller on a wall, which there's a little bit of push in it, but the muscle needs more context and load for it to actually adapt and make a change. And to be honest, just to get stronger. So you're gonna take a band, you're gonna wrap it around your back, loop it on your thumbs. Now, the key here, I like doing soft hips so that I'm not like hyperextending. That way I'm kind of loaded, and then I'm just gonna reach forward and I'm gonna try to bring my palms up if I can, and then I'm reaching out. So this would be shoulders retracted. I'm not rounding my back to get more. I'm trying to just keep my spine where it is and then reach my arms forward. So what we coach on this is each rep you should be holding for about 3 to 5 seconds. Then we just let our arms retract through the band and then reach out. And we're just gonna do this until we get a good burn. If you have tendonitis, bicep tendonitis, rotator tendonitis, you might feel this. So you utilize that to alter and change how you do that so you don't have pain. You shouldn't really have pain in that area because we're not lifting from the rotator cuff or the bicep. We're simply just reaching outwards. So if you find that you're maybe lifting too much and feeling that, you need to think more about reaching out as opposed to lifting up.